cloud computing service and hosting service. Google Cloud Computing Service. There are multitude of service provided to its customer by Google Cloud. Google Cloud has 8% of the market share. Let's have a look at the four important computing service offered by cloud in details. Google Cloud App Engine. Google App Engine is a best solution which allows us to deploy code in a similar manner, and the platform automated everything else. It's fully scalable and it traffic of an application become higher is acquire more interface automatically is its offer fast development and development simplified administrator. Google Cloud Compute Engine. Google Compute Engine is a Google infrastructure as a service virtual machine offer.